Bain Capital and Clessidra in 2008 acquired Cerved, a provider of business information, for around 500 million euro. In 4 years, you managed to sell this business for like doubling enterprise value. So the final sale price was over a billion euro. So this sale ranks as the highest and largest transaction in size in Italy. Luca Bassi of Bain Capital, do you think that similar transactions could be still possible in Italy in the current market conditions?
Yeah, absolutely. I think the Italian market is in this respect providing very interesting opportunities because we are facing a period of slower growth. And when you see slower growth, you see that a number of corporates and sellers need to rethink their strategic priorities. And so we expect to see more of transactions where sellers, corporates, and management teams look for a private equity partner like Bain Capital, for example, that is able to provide them with some management and financial capabilities. And this may happen because they have a great product, great technology, they want to grow internationally, and they look for a global partner able to help them expand. Or in other situations, which are also very interesting, are like the Italian banks that in a difficult time in 2008 wanted to exit some non-core, non-strategic businesses for them, and they wanted to have a partner able to unlock value and have a kind of clear strategic plan for the business, able to kind of pay a good price, which is what we were able to do because we had a clear view on the sort of value creation plan and which we implemented on a post-acquisition phase. So slow growth may be negative on a number of sides, but on the other side, slow growth provides more opportunity for sponsors that are able to be creative and capable to bring financial and management capabilities to transactions.
So you were invested in Cerved for 4 years, and in 4 years you managed to grow EBITDA from 90 million to 130 million. So how was it possible? Did you use M&A to grow this business?
Yeah, it's typical of our approach is after we acquire a company as Bain Capital, we do what we call a blueprint, which is the 100-day plan, the kind of plan where we, together with the management team, work and develop the set of strategic actions for value creation over the investment horizon. And so that's what we did on Cerved. And we worked with the management team. We have a portfolio team, which are people within Bain Capital that work at the company, reporting to the management team and helping them to drive value creation. And so at Cerved, our blueprint identified 4 kind of key areas for value creation. The first one was the strengthening of the management team, and so we worked hard to make an assessment, kind of create opportunities for the good people in the company to kind of come up, at the same time bring on board great people from outside to make a very strong and cohesive management team. The second area of focus was really the integration of Cerved with Lynch, which we putting together all the SG&A and the overhead structure, as well as all the kind of manufacture of the information, and also kind of creating revenue opportunities with better products through the combination also of the sales force. That synergy is resulting in a kind of full achievement of all the synergy plan of 10 million. The third kind of area was strengthening the core business, and we did that improving the relationship with the banks, renewing all the long-term contracts with the banks at better economics in difficult times, frankly. We did that through acquisition. We bought the number 3 player in Italy in the market, and so we create more consolidation in the market. The fourth area of value creation was the development of new growth engines. And that meant to develop new product lines and to grow into adjacent businesses. The most relevant one was the credit collection, where we did 3 acquisitions and we developed a business which was pretty sizable, and not only sizable but also very synergistic with the core business of Cerved in terms of clients and capabilities.
So Luca Bassi, you are based in London. and you work for an international investment fund, and you manage to sell a business which is 100% exposed to the Italian market to another international fund, CVC Capital Partners. What is the appeal of the Italian market for international investors at the moment?
Again, each investor is probably looking at the opportunity in a different way. As far as Bain Capital, we are extremely excited about the Italian market because we see a lot of opportunity for transformation of the companies. So we really try to find investment opportunities where we don't play on the financial engineering side, but where we can really come to the seller or to the management team or to the company with our full set of financial resources, kind of deep set of relationship globally and then to the business, but also management capabilities, our portfolio team, and so we can help them transform the business. Which mean transform the businesses mean reposition themselves in dynamic industries, meaning implement operational improvement, means find and execute on M&A and acquisition targets, means growing international, means a lot of things. And when there is lower growth, like is going to be the case in Italy for the next few years, there is more need for change and transformation. And we think at Bain Capital we are the right model to partner with a lot of Italian companies to implement this transformation. So we're actually very excited about the opportunities that will be in Italy.
And we actually hope to see more multi-billion transactions in the Italian market. Luca Bassi of Bain Capital, thank you very much.
Thank you.